to the Curious Calculator. In today's video, we're going to be going over the following arithmetic series problem. In this problem, we're given the first term, which is 4, the common difference of 7, and the sum of the first n terms, which is going to be 228. And we want to solve for n. So let's begin this problem by writing out our formula for the sum of a finite arithmetic series, which is going to be Sn equals n times a1 plus an over 2. And then let's also write out our formula for the explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence, which is going to be an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times that common difference of d. And now that we have these two formulas written out, let's fill in what information we can. So Sn is going to be 228, the sum of the first n terms. That equals, we don't know n. The first term is 4 plus an over 2. All right, so that's that one. And then for the explicit formula here, let's do an equals 4 plus n minus 1 times that common difference of 7. And let's rewrite this as an equals 4 plus 7n minus 7. All right, so now from here, utilizing our formula on the right here, where we have an equals 4 plus 7n minus 7. Oh, actually, we can rewrite that one more time. So let's see here, 4 minus 7, that's going to be negative 3 plus 7n equals an. All right, so now we can utilize this an right here that equals negative 3 plus 7n and plug this in to our summation formula over here on the left. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to have 228 equals n times 4 plus negative 3 plus 7n over 2. And let's rewrite this as, let's see here, n times 4, and that's going to be minus 3, so it's going to be 1. And then we have just the 7n on top, so 1 plus 7n over 2. And let's multiply the n through in the numerator. So we're going to get, let's see here, n plus 7n squared over 2. And that equals 228. Now let's multiply the 2 on both sides. So on the left side, we're going to get 456 equals n plus 7n squared. Bringing that 456 on the right, we get 0 equals 7n squared plus 7, or sorry, not 7, plus n minus 456. Now from here, I'm going to recommend using the quadratic formula to solve for n. So if we do that, we're going to get that n equals, let's see here, negative b, so that's going to be negative 1 plus or minus b squared, 1 minus 4 times ac, which is going to be 4 times 7 times negative 456. And that's all going to be over 2a, which is going to be 14. Okay, so now what we want to do is solve for this right here. So negative 1 plus or minus, inside the square root here, that's all going to come out to 12769. And, whoops, right there. Okay, and then we have that over 14. The square root of 12,769 should come out to 113. So we have negative 1 plus or minus 113 over 14. And now at this point, we really should only have one option here, because we're solving for n, and n represents the amount of terms that we're summing up. And so n should always be positive. So when we're choosing right here the plus or minus, we're only going to take the route where we do the plus. So we know that n equals -1 plus 113 over 14. And that is going to come out to 8. And we get our final answer of n equals 8. Alright, and I just like to wrap up this video with a little philosophy fun fact. Did you know that Jean-Paul Sartre argued that we are condemned to be free, meaning that in life we are responsible for everything that we do, and that in any situation we always have a choice to make.